2008 Toyota Siana.
3.5 liter.
3.5 liter. This broken. But I take it off already for this one. And bring it here, camera. I take it out already, but it's broken. Now I put this new one. This one. And customer bring a parts on, and I show you one seal and one lock. I think so. डब्बा कितना है ना? Okay, this old one. This is the for new one. Okay. This big, this somewhere. You see, it's a hole. It's different. Try. You know me. Okay, lock inside. Light it up. One dishwasher, O-ring, and put this one. Another tape. Yeah, this is in. I hope no leaking. I think it's in the lock.